Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Resident Evil 9 and your game is stuck on this black screen, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this black screen problem on Resident Evil 9 easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Resident Evil's folder. So the default location should be in your C drive, program files 86, Steam, Steam apps, common, and here you're going to have the Resident Evil 9 or Resident Evil Requiem folder. You're going to go into that folder. And once you go into that folder, you're going to have dinput8.dll, and you can also have this RE frameworks folder. So now what you're going to do is you're going to delete both dinput8.dll and RE frameworks from here. So just right click and delete both of these things. Once you delete both of those things, now what you're going to do is you're going to go to your game's platform, and then you're going to try to play Resident Evil 9, and you're going to see that your game will now work. You will not get that stuck on black screen problem anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.